Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2015 on a 65 plate Vauxhall Mokka SE Turbo. This is the 1.4 turbocharged petrol with a 6-speed manual gearbox and 5 doors, finished in Summit White, and it's covered just 39,000 miles. So we'll have a good walk around this very good looking, low mileage Mokka Petrol. October 2015 registered. Just the two owners from new. The current lady's had the car since February 2019, so getting on for 6 years. 39,000 miles. Really well looked after throughout its life. We've got 7 recorded services, so maintained properly throughout. We've got these nice 18-inch silver alloy wheels with nearly new tyres all round. Very recent new tyres. They've still got the dots on the sidewalls, so very recent indeed. Ever so popular, the Mokkas. This is the 1.4 turbocharged petrol with 140 brake horsepower, 6-speed manual gearbox. So very sensible running costs. £210 for 12 months road tax. 40 plus miles to the gallon on a combined run. Sensible insurance group as well. So it ticks a lot of boxes as a family SUV, small mid-size SUV, nice high seating position, big windows, so visibility and access is very good. And then this is the SE model, so the spec is excellent for a car of this nature, it has to be said. We've got this full leather interior that's in lovely shape, centre armrest that pops down there, bolsters etc. all in excellent condition, and these front seats are heated. Electronically adjustable lumbar as well. Door cards are all in really good shape. 4 electric windows, electronically adjustable and power folding door mirrors. Remote central locking, of course. It does come supplied with 2 remote keys. You've got Vauxhall embossed into the kick plates there. Automatic lights. There's your 2 keys. Up onto the steering wheel, which is in really good shape. You've got controls for your Bluetooth and your radio. You've got cruise control with a speed limiter. Down below we've got a manual handbrake, couple of cup holders. Some storage at the back. There's your 6-speed gearbox, and then down below we've got 12-volt socket, USB with auxiliary, start stop which you can switch off, parking sensors front and rear which you can also switch off. In the glove box we've got all your handbooks, locking wheel nut, keys, and it's a twin layer glove box which is quite nice, as you can see. And then we'll start the car up. So 4-cylinder petrol engine. 39,193 is the mileage as it sits with us, and then everything else is done through this central control system. So you have got heated seats, like I say, you've got your climate control, you've also got heated steering wheel, which is, as you can see, I've got it switched on because it's lovely this time of year. Freezing this morning. Up above we've got Bluetooth, we've got DAB digital radio as well, so it's a really nice specification. Bit of dance for your Tuesday morning. So there we have it, really nice easy setup, plenty of gizmos, slightly darkened rear windows, and then into the back. It's not had a hard life at all the backs of the seats are in lovely shape, as are the rear seats themselves. 3 headrests with 3 proper seat belts, ISOFIX for the child seats, so comfortable 5-seater, good amount of headroom as well, and you do also get electric windows in the back. And then round to the back of the car, like I say, you've got those parking sensors, and then into the boot space. Parcel shelf at the top, split folding rear seats, and then a really good sized load area, which is flat as well, so no lip to negotiate. And underneath, a big well underneath with loads of space in there for your storage and whatever else. And behind the cubby hole there, you've got your inflation kit, and so on. So there we have it. October 2015 Vauxhall Mokka SE Turbo, 39,000 miles, 2 owners, 7 service stamps, 4 very recent new tyres. You can see they've still got the dots on them. Really nice specification, heated leather seats, heated steering wheel, and so on. Finance is available from less than £150 a month based on a 10% deposit, and the car will come supplied with a fresh advisory free MOT, along with 2 keys and our standard 6 months nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty, and we do work on an appointment only basis, so if you would like to come and view, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us via our email, sales@bowensgarage.co.uk, and for any more information, registration number, insurance groups and specific technical specs, do have a look at the website www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Really nice example, nice ownership, lovely low mileage and good service history too. I'm sure this will be snapped up. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next.